insurance cover is a mandatory requirement for every body corporate in Queensland. The level of cover is based on an insurance valuation completed by an independent quantity surveyor, and the purpose of the report is to ascertain the building sum insured, or BSI. While the report allows for cost escalation annually, the insurance valuation report must be updated every 5 years as per the Body Corporate and Community Management Act. In addition to the BSI, it is also worth noting that these valuations do not automatically include or account for new renovations within individual lots. If an owner has undertaken a renovation, it is recommended that you contact your insurer so they can advise whether additional cover is required for that specific lot. It is important to note that if any increase in cover results in a higher premium, the owner may be liable for an uprise in insurance costs as they are the sole beneficiary of the change. If you would like a general overview of what is and isn't covered under a strata insurance policy, there is an article on our website titled "What's Covered Under a Strata Insurance Policy." It is recommended reading to help you understand what you are covered for. It is important for all owners to consider contents insurance and landlord insurance if the property is tenanted. Additionally, if you are planning a renovation, it may be worthwhile investigating public liability cover within the lot. Alternatively, you can also request a copy of the Product Disclosure Statement, PDS, which discloses all inclusions and exclusions of your policy. On the topic of renovations, please review BCsystems Renovations, Repairs and Maintenance Guide. This outlines what approvals and notifications may be required by the body corporate. Keeping records up to date is essential, particularly to ensure accurate disclosure if the unit is sold in the future. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact BCsystems and speak to one of our body corporate experts.